An array in C, as well as other languages, is an ordered container of values of the same type. Let's make some arrays. If we do int t square brackets 5, that means give me an array called t that can hold at most 5 integers. Alternatively, you could already know the elements you want to put in the container. You could do int s square brackets equals an array holding 1 through 3. In this case, though, since you didn't put a number in the bracket, the max number of elements s can hold is 3, since that's how many elements were in the array originally. Let's say we want to get some values out of s. How would we access the first element? S square brackets 0 would give you access to the first element. Why is it 0 and not 1? Basically, the formula underneath the hood is the number you put in the square brackets is the number of hops to take past the first element to get to the desired element. Since you take no hops to get past the first element is at index 0. To finish this example out, s square brackets 1 would give you the 2, s square brackets 2 would give you the 3, and anything past s square brackets 2 would be past the end of the array, so avoid doing that. Now that we've gotten values out, let's put some values in. Say we wanted to make the first element in s a 3, it would start the same, s square brackets 0, but you would finish it out by doing an assignment and assigning 3 to the first array slot. A similar technique would work to put something different in the other array slots. Let's put a bow on this and get the sum of all the numbers in s. We'll define an initial sum value outside of a loop to be 0. Then we'll do a for loop. For int I equals 0, I less than, then you run into a problem. C doesn't have a built-in way to calculate the length of the array, so you have to either store the length of the array in advance, or in this case, know the length of the array and just type it directly in here. So for int I equals 0, I less than the length of the array, which is 3, I plus plus. This for loop will produce the numeric value of every index in the array. On every pass through the loop, we'll do sum equals, take the existing value of sum, and add on the value in the array at the current index you're looking at. Once you do all that and print it out, you'll get back 6. Like and subscribe to learn more.